Come with me, let's make this yummy churros and hot chocolate together. Very crunchy, yummy and easy to make. Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my videos, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can see, we are making churros and hot chocolate snacks. I put my pot on the gas, added my water, half cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, and after that I allowed everything to mix together, and I off my gas, and I added my flour, 1.5 cup of flour, and after that you see it, this is the result. And after that I put it in another bowl and I added my vanilla flavor, and I added 1 egg. We are using 2 eggs, okay? I did put everything at once, and this is the first one. I turn everything together and I add the last egg, and I mix everything together, as you can see. And now this is ready, so we are going to be putting it in this, as you all can see. So we are doing this. I've already started frying the churros, okay? So this is the last part. I'm just showing you guys how I made it. Now we put it in our hot oil that was already on the fire, okay? So we remove the paper inside so our churros will be ready. If you know you don't watch this video, share, you never follow, you never like, papa, mama, auntie, uncle, what are you waiting for? Kilo day, please help a sister, help a mother. Do me God highly bless you. And to our returning followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as they follow una get una. Thank you. So guys, let's continue on our video. Now this is ready. We are going to remove it and we move to the next level. Now we are making our hot chocolate. I added a half cup of milk and I added this powder chocolate. Oh, this thing so far me, I did not give up, but later I remember in life, never you give up until you see the results. Never give up. Oh, look at it now. Our chocolate is almost ready. Now is ready. Guys, look at the hot chocolate. What do you guys think? And our churros is ready. Churros, I beg, I don't know that they pronounce the name well. If I don't, please don't mind me, just take it like that, okay? But the main thing is our churros and hot chocolate is ready. Thank you guys for joining, and see you all in my next video. I really do appreciate all your support. Bye for now.